They're on.
This is Ryan. I'm the preview.
Show the car. So show your monster truck. Tell them the name.
Yeah.
And it's
Prudis.
Prudis.
And
Prudis.
show how it goes on the carpet.
And he
And does he go super fast? Whoa. Did you pick that one out today? What else do you want to tell us about Brutus?
and the nose.
Okay, point the nose so we can see. Oh.
And he has white fangs, and then his mouth has sharp eye, and his ears is, and then his wheels are big. And the whole monster truck is big. And it has all and sign off.